special sneaker for both streetwear and anime enthusiasts. The Chuck Taylor All-Star X Sasuke Uchiha lets you into the world of Naruto Shippuden. In this unique partnership, Sasuke Uchiha, one of the most strong and well-liked characters in the Naruto universe, combines his fierce energy with Converse's distinctive style. Featuring the curse mark that Orochimaru gave him, the Sasuke colorway is modeled after Sasuke Uchiha's purple robe belt and off-white robe, drawing inspiration from the shuriken, the preferred weapon of shinobi. Each pair of Naruto X Converse Chuck Taylors substitutes a 3D metallic silver version for the traditional All-Star patch. Additionally, each character's metal forehead protectors, Hidden Leaf for Naruto, Hidden Leaf crossed out for Sasuke, and Hidden Sand for Gaara, are modeled after the bumper plates on the rear of the midsoles of the shoes. The Sasuke Naruto Shippuden X Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star will retail for $80 and be available on May 22, 2025.